Hampshire Sheen, fanatical about finishing, 2-minute tutorial series. Gloss finishing wax. Step 1. Sand your work. We recommend 400 grit, but you can go finer if you wish to. Wipe away the dust between the grits. Step 2. Use some methylated spirits, denatured alcohol to clean the grain as much as possible. You could also use compressed air. Step 3. With the lathe stationary, apply your sanding sealer. We are using our own cellulose sealer on this piece of sapele. Step 4. When dry, use a non-abrasive pad like the grey Scotch-Brite pad to denib the surface. After denibbing, you could use a paper towel to burnish the surface of the piece. Step 5. With the lathe stationary, apply just enough of the gloss finishing wax to the surface to remove any shine. Step 6. Keeping the lathe stationary, apply a second light coat straight over the first one. There is no need to buff yet. If required, apply more coats after buffing. Step 7. Start the lathe and use a piece of paper towel to lightly buff the surface to a bright and long-lasting shine. Buffing is a process for polishing a surface. It is not burnishing. Step 8. Step back and admire your work. The piece is now safe to remove from the lathe. Find stockists, information and exclusive user content at hampshiresheen.com. Stay safe, always read product labels and wear appropriate PPE if required. Thank you for watching.